Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to upload digital products to Gumroad. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the products on the left side over here. And after that, just simply click on new product on the top right corner of the screen. And just simply go for digital product over here. And just simply provide the name for your digital product. Let's say I'm going to go for master exam. And just simply provide the price down below. I'm going to go for $10 and click on next on the top right. And after that, guys, just simply provide a description about your product. And down below, you should be able to have your own URL for this product. And down below, make sure to upload a cover. And once you have uploaded a cover, make sure to upload the thumbnail as well so you can attract more people. And down below, you should be able to have the product info so you can provide a summary over here or the additional details for your digital product. And down below, you should be able to change the price if needed. And once you are done, just simply click on save and continue. And from here on the content, make sure to click on over here, upload files, and just simply upload your digital product or provide a media link or Dropbox file. So it will be depending on you. And from there, guys, you should be able to upload it. And once you are done, you can just simply provide additional details and click on publish and continue. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and click on this one, preview. And from there, you should be able to upload your digital products to Gumroad. So guys, just provide the necessary information needed that is being asked to make it more appealing so you can convince more people to buy your product. There you go. See ya.